is based on these verses what just recited. His question is, this is of course Allah's instruction to Rasul Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What about a common person, a common Muslim? How long?
They are all followed by the same instructions, because the day and nights change in length, and sometimes the nights are very long. So about that, Hazrat is told that should we stand for the midnight prayer less than normal, less than usual. And sometimes the nights are very short, so he is told that you should stand more than the usual one. So this is an instruction to Rasulullah, which should be followed by the followers, of course. Doesn't mean that they should pray always as long as Rasulullah Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to pray. So it is just an injunction to try to follow him as much as possible.